What's going on, guys? We're back at it again, and today we will be testing more items on a light switch.
Today, this is what we will be using, okay?
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get it rolling with this random plastic thing.
Ain't got a clue where it came from,
No idea.
but it's here, so let's try it.
So let's give it a go.
It's real nice. I think you almost
works,
have to do
guys.
it sideways, though, because it's so just small.
Yeah, you don't want to go down.
Hey, let's try it again with just
try it again. Alright.
Just the end. Okay, so if you get it precise, it works real well.
Oh yeah, precision is key.
Okay, now let's do the notebook here.
Notebook? We're
Yeah,
going notebook.
We're going notebook.
We got the notebook, guys.
Okay, we're going
We're being
notebook.
sabotaged. Alright, we got the notebook. Let's give it a go.
Oh my goodness, it
It
worked.
works
I think
very
I
well,
think I just want to have one thing where it's just the cardboard, okay?
Oh yeah,
I think
definitely.
that's what added it.
That might actually help a lot.
Okay, now we have
Moving
all
on.
these plastic.
All these plastic. Why do we have so many?
I don't know.
Who
but
knows
we
why we
do.
have all these knives? Alright, let's get it going.
I think that worked just
That
so
worked.
well. We may just need
Let's
to
just
use
one knife. Let's go one. We have.
See, this
we have
makes much
one.
more sense.
Oh yeah,
You don't
definitely.
usually have a package of knives. It works.
It works, guys.
No,
Definitely
sometimes.
consider
Just
the
one
plastic
knife.
Oh, yeah.
One knife is good.
One
Okay.
knife. Alright, moving on to the napkins. Alright, napkins. There's about 250, so it's probably gonna work.
It is a lot of ink. I think it
It
works.
works.
I mean, it's just so big though.
It's so bulky,
But
not really easy
Yeah.
to use.
If you have terrible aim though, that's a really nice.
Yeah, it
thing.
is definitely for you.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
But wait,
There's
bonus
more!
item. Alright.
No.
I don't know if you can see it. It's a glass
Yeah,
pane.
it's a glass pane. Let me try to get that light on it.
Yeah.
Oh man, that look good.
Oh yeah. All right.
Let's try
Let's
it.
give it a go. Go in the ceiling.
Oh.
Oh man,
It's
this is
all.
sketchy.
Oh.
Oh.
Woo.
It works, guys.
Okay,
It definitely works.
I just
Yeah.
want to try it sideways.
Let's try it
Man,
sideways.
This is fun.
I mean,
Okay,
yeah, for
you
sure.
Count us
All right.
down.
3, 2, 1.
It works.
It
sideways.
works, guys, both
this
ways.
just looks nice, dude.
It looks
You're
nice.
just walking down the hallway with this thing. You look
Nobody's,
good. You look good.
Nobody's even gonna know, man.
Yeah,
Because it's just
so clear.
Okay.
Make
All right.
sure you like and subscribe.
Subscribe to PewDiePie and unsubscribe from T Series if
See
you
ya.
are.